Hi everyone, it's Marianne and welcome to Marissa's Life. This video, let's do some DIYs from my herb garden. I'm shooting outside without a microphone and my sound isn't automatic, so sorry if the sound quality is bad, but it's hard to do DIY with a lavalier mic on. But today I'm hoping to do some DIYs. Let's see how many we could fit in this video. But first and foremost, I'm doing some planters for my herb garden because right now they're in different funky planters. I'll show you how I'll be making the planters for them. I'm going to be using these planters that I got from the dollar store. I'm going to paint it white. We have like a gallon of paint and primer left, and it's easier to use a spray paint, but since we have this, I'm just gonna use it. And I have some brushes over here and I'm just gonna paint them white because this is tin, which is fine for outdoor, but the thing is tin conducts heat and cold, and that's not really good for the roots of the plant. So hopefully by painting it, that would help insulate it a little bit and also just to make it more aesthetically pleasing. So to start, I'm just gonna use this sponge brush to paint this tin can. I'm using a different brush because this seems to work a little bit better, but yeah, because the other one was too streaky and the paint was dripping. Once the paint had dried, I made drainage holes at the bottom of the planters. Obviously, this is not the safest way to do this by stabbing it with a screwdriver, so be safe if you are trying to put drainage holes in your planters. So here I have the planters all painted and stabbed the crap at the bottom. So great holes. I have 4 of them here. I am going to make, I think, 6 today. And now I'm going to put the labels of them. I got this from Etsy. I would link it down below if you're interested in getting them. I have the basil, the rue, the sage, oregano, Thai basil, and parsley. I have another 6, but I don't have those herbs right now, so I am not going to make those planters yet. Let's try it with rue over here. So according to instructions, it's very easy. Just peel the backing off and then put it where I want it. Make sure the surface is clean, and I want it probably 2 inches down, and that's pretty much it. So that's it. And if you want, you could use a credit card or whatever card to kind of smooth it out and, you know, get rid of the bubbles. But that's it. The reason I bought this decal is this is waterproof, so it should stay on for quite a while. But yeah, and that's for root. Okay, so a part that I forgot to do. So after I kind of like paste it on, I'd have to take out the other layer too. That's what I forgot. So, oh, there you go. Looks much more cleaner. Thai basil. Okay, so now I'm going to repot these herbs into their respective planters. Some soil at the bottom. Let's take this out of the pot. Oh, it needs to be repotted too, so just in time. Just like tease out the bottom a little bit. And plop it in. And that's pretty much it for Miss Rue right here. Do the parsley next. This one I know has been root bound because this has been wanting water so much. Like I water this almost every day. Uh, uh, Look at that. I'll take it at the bottom a little bit. That's yucky. Squeeze it out. And plop it down. And that's the parsley. And next is the oregano. Let's put some soil at the bottom again. Oh. Take it out. This one's not too bad. Let's do it this way. That's the oregano. And then the Thai basil. I think this one I could just plop in. Yep. And make sure. Yeah. Some salt at the top. Yeah, that was very quick and easy. Thai basil. Rosemary bush that has completely winterized. It comes back every year, and I'm just gonna cut a few sprigs for my rosemary and apple cider vinegar hair treatment that I'm gonna show you how to make. And here's our mint, which we planted 5 years ago and comes back every year like weed and takes over everything, so I have to constantly weed it out. But here I'm just taking a couple for my DIY all-purpose cleaner. I also grow basils with my tomato plants because they're supposed to be good companion plants and make the tomato taste better. But this one I'm going to prune. That is my first tomato of the season. First thing we're going to make is the rosemary and apple cider vinegar hair treatment, which is great for your hair as a clarifying treatment or just a hair mask in general. So this is very easy to make. Just get a couple sprigs of the rosemary. I am kind of chopping it up here, not really, but I'm just trying to pound it a little bit to get the essence and the aroma of the rosemary so that it will fuse better with the vinegar. And I'm just putting it in a jar. You can put it in any jar of your choice, and you don't have to use the apple cider vinegar that's from the mother. You could use like a regular cheaper one, but either one works. And you just let it infuse for a couple weeks before you use it, and you use it with 1:1 ratio with water. Next one I'm making is an all-purpose cleaner. I'm using lavender that I've tried out months ago. You don't have to use this much lavender or a dried out lavender. I just want to use up this one. And here's the mint that I got earlier, just taking it out from the leaves, and kind of like with the rosemary, I'm just pounding it up a little bit just to get that oil out and that essence out from the mint leaves. And I'm just filling it up in a jar together with the lavender. And this time I'm using a distilled white vinegar, kind of like same process. I'm gonna fill up the jar with this vinegar, and I'm gonna let it infuse for about at least a week. And when I'm ready to use it, I'm just gonna add a 1:2 ratio with water in a spray bottle and use it to clean any surface. And this is a great cheap alternative to the ones that you can buy at the store. Seriously, just make this one. Don't buy any all-purpose cleaner anymore. Last one I'm making is the basil infused olive oil, which you can use for pretty much anything, your pasta, salads, your bread. It's very easy process. You take about a third cup of olive oil, or however much olive oil you want to use, and however much basil you want, and just saute the basil in low heat until the basil gets wilted. Make sure not to use high heat because olive oil burns easily and you don't want burnt oil. And after it cools down, just go ahead and strain it out. You can definitely keep the basil with the oil, but I just liked it strained out so it's clean oil and I could use it for many different purposes where I don't want the actual basil in it. Finally, pour it out in a container of your choice, and I actually put a piece of garlic in here as well to let it infuse with the basil oil to make it taste a lot better. You can omit the garlic if you don't like garlic, but who doesn't like garlic? And here's a recipe that you could try using the basil olive oil. I have a couple slices of French bread where I drizzled some of that basil olive oil and I'm topping it with mozzarella, and I'm just gonna let it melt. And while I wait for the cheese to melt, here's the tomato that I got earlier and I'm just slicing it up, and then I'm gonna put the leftover basil from earlier and just sprinkle it on top of this tomatoes to give it a little bit more flavor. And once the French toast is ready, the cheese could have melted a little bit more, but I was in a hurry. I'm just gonna put the tomatoes that is infused with the basil and basil olive oil on top, and there you go, very quick and easy, and also very tasty. And that's it for my DIY projects for and from my herb garden. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I come up with houseplants and sustainable lifestyle videos every week. And if you haven't yet, go check out these videos out here. Until my next one. But until then, I see you. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other and have a plentiful day. Bye.